Hey everybody, today we're going to make banana nut bread, homemade. So easy, one bowl, you don't even need a mixer, you can do it all by hand. First off, we're starting off with 3 ripe bananas that I've smashed up by hand. And then we're going to put in, you can hear that thunder, we're getting a thunderstorm. We like thunderstorms. And this is a bread that you can make even with the moisture in the air. So it's good. So we have a half a stick of butter. So 4 tablespoons of butter. And we're going to put in 1 egg. So you just put everything in the same bowl. And then we're going to put in a 1/4 cup of sour cream. Now, if you don't want sour cream, you don't have to use it.
But you'll want it.
If you don't have it, you can make it completely without the sour cream. But the sour cream puts some more moisture in it. We like it on there. Makes it more...
It keeps it from being dried out.
Yeah. And then I have a teaspoon. It's been so long since I measured these out. A teaspoon of baking soda and 2 cups of flour. And like I always say, this is what we use. Hudson cream flour. That stuff is so pillowy soft. Double sifted. You don't have to do any of that stuff. And 1 cup of sugar. All one bowl. So simple, quick bread. And then if you don't want to put nuts in it, you do not have to. But this is a 325 degree oven at 350 if you're using a normal loaf pan. I'm doing small loaves. And I don't know how many it's going to make, but we're going to find out. I did 4 just in case. And the nuts is about a cup or 3/4, however much you want to put in it. Your choice of nuts. I've got walnuts in this. And it's a real stiff dough.
You can't go wrong with banana walnut bread.
Mm-mm.
I know a lot of places like Bob Evans and stuff, you get it, it's made with that vanilla extract and it's not the same.
It's not the same.
I mean, you could probably add a little bit of that to the bananas.
Yeah, if you wanted a little bit extra.
Yeah.
But if once this sits a day, oh my goodness, the banana flavors go all the way through it.
So good.
Trying to get all the bananas all mixed up in here. Yeah, it's starting to come together. Whoops! Come together on the table. As you know, that's what I do.
Oh, well.
Yeah. Smells so good. And guys, I made green tomato bread. If you haven't seen that video, you might want to check that one out too. Woo! That one was so good. We had never had green tomato bread before, and now we're going for another loaf. I'm going to make another loaf.
Because it was delicious.
It's so good. There we go. See, that's coming together right good right there. Okay, and this is a stiff dough also because it's a quick bread. And I've sprayed my pans. We're just going to put some right down in there. Billy likes the little loaves.
Mm-hmm.
That way he can say, I just had 1 piece. A whole loaf.
Well, yeah. You can't make food that good and not expect me to eat it all.
I didn't even put any vanilla in it. The recipe that I always use, it doesn't call for vanilla, but you can absolutely put some in it.
Yeah, it wouldn't break my heart none.
I know.
I like vanilla.
Yeah, so do I. Yeah, I think I'm going to get about 4 loaves out of it.
Pretty good guess, wasn't it?
Well, about 3.5 probably.
Yeah, I see that was a little low there.
Let's just make 3. How's that? We'll just make 3 nice loaves.
Yeah, what you said.
Because I'm in charge. It's my kitchen.
Your kitchen, your rules, right?
Exactly. All right.
As it should be.
Hand them down. Now, we're just going to stick them babies in the oven at 325 degrees. Like I said, a normal loaf will take an hour, so I'm not sure on how long these small ones will take, but we'll get back with you and let you know. All right, guys, I took the banana bread loaves out of the oven. They were 325 degrees, and it took almost an hour, even though they're little small loaves. So this is what they look like. I am not going to taste them because I have them sold. So, you know, you probably wouldn't want me to taste test your goods if you bought them. So I'm not tasting them, but it's my recipe that we use all the time, so I know it's good. We do have another video of just regular loaf on our channel if you would like to go back and look at that. And then we do a taste test on there. So this is what we got. 325 for about 55 minutes or something right there. So that's
depending on your oven, right?
It depends on your oven every time. And they started to get a little brown, so I put them down on the bottom rack. So, and then they got done.
They smell delicious.
They said, it was like, oh no, how are we going to not eat these?
Yeah, because I'm wanting to try a piece of it.
Yeah, he is, because he's used to doing all the taste tests. Not this time.
And I know the banana nut bread is delicious. So
Yeah, because he's had it before.
many times.
So, guys, if you want, like I said, if you want to watch the other one with the full loaf, we have it on our channel somewhere. It was one of the earlier ones. So, like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Love y'all.